morning, Lord God. Thank you for a safe ride last night. And as I go ride today, I pray. Please bless me an alert mind, fast thinking, better decision, reasonable actions. Please take us to the safest route. Take us to the fastest route. Take us away from crashes, accidents, injuries, emergencies. Take us also away from road holes, road bumps, humps and bumps that may damage Sasha. Take us also away from all types of debris causing flat tires. I love you, God. I love you very much. I also pray, Lord God, to please help me keep my focus at all times, and please widen my vision so I can see all the dangers ahead of me. And please help me to enjoy this ride. Help me to learn from this ride. I love you, God. I love you very much.